Hey Divi Nation, welcome to another installment of our weekly Divi Design Initiative, where each week we've been giving away a brand new Divi Layout Pack from our design team straight to you. And this week, Kenny and the team have created a prominent law firm layout pack, which includes 7 pages that will take your law firm site to the next level. It includes a services page and a case study page, which are a must for any law firm. And the images used and organization of content make this layout extremely adaptable for any law firm. And the creative design elements are impressive and subtle. They fit perfectly with the law industry niche. You can access the layout pack along with all of our pre-made layouts by clicking the Load from Library icon when editing a page with the Divi Builder. Don't forget, all the images included are free for you to use without restriction, even for commercial use. And go ahead and join me in this next part of the video where I show you how to use it on your own site. Before you can access the law firm layout pack from the Divi library, you must authenticate your Elegant Themes subscription. To do this, go to your WordPress dashboard and navigate to Divi Theme Options. Then click the Updates tab. There you can add your username and API key. Now you can import the law firm page layouts. To do this, create a new page and activate the visual builder. Look for the Load from Library icon in the page settings bar. It looks like a plus symbol. Click this icon to launch the Load from Library pop-up. Once you find the law firm layout pack, click on it. You will see all of the individual page layouts included in the pack. Simply select the layout you want and then click the Use This Layout button. Once the layout has been loaded on the page, don't forget to publish it. And at this point, you want to repeat this process until all 7 pages are created with their new layouts. After that, you'll want to go ahead and create a new primary menu for your site. To do that, you'll navigate to your WordPress dashboard and go to Appearance, Menus. Once there, go ahead and create a new menu, give it a name. And then once you've created the menu, go ahead and select all of the pages that you've created that have your new page layouts on them, and then click Add to Menu. Once you do that, your new menu items will show up in your menu structure, and then you can organize them however you want. Don't forget to click the primary menu option for your display location and save your menu. That's it for this video. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to subscribe to our blog newsletter, our YouTube channel, and like us on Facebook. That way you don't miss out on any future giveaways, and you can get notified every time we have something new for you. I look forward to seeing you in our next video, which is our Divi use case live stream, which happens every Tuesday at 2 p.m. Eastern. And this week we'll be featuring this free law firm layout pack. So I look forward to it, and I will see you then.